Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Today, boom, we have a Cronos coin pump. Finally, very exciting to see this today as a partnership was announced yesterday about Amazon Web Services and Cronos Labs teaming up to bring more development, attract more developers with the easy-to-use system that AWS brings to the table. Amazon is teaming up with Cronos. The CRO Coin army has got to be excited right now. I certainly am. A huge pump for the day. Let's talk about this story. Let's talk about what's going on and how it's getting shared across social media and why it's so bullish as the CRO price is breaking out right now past some key levels that I've been talking about for weeks. It's so exciting, so exciting. Let's talk about it in this video, guys. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you and at 10,000 subscribers. We are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscribers, so don't miss out on that. Right now, guys, the overall market cap's back above 1.2 trillion. The overall market cap's up 7%, but let's just do it. I'm going to look at the top gainers, click on the last 24 hours on CoinMarketCap to see the top gainers, and coming in at number 5 top gainer today, it is Cronos, my friends. 12.88% gains. It was up a little bit higher earlier, up to a 1.86, almost a $1.9 billion market cap. Why? It has got to be this 13% pump has got to be because of this partnership between Amazon and Cronos, and it is hitting in the press. You've got Crypto Potato talking about it. Looking for some other large publications. Surprised there's not more large publications talking about it, but this is, well said, a breath of fresh air for CRO. AWS is proud to support Web3 startups for growth through the Cronos Accelerator program. Very cool. They're both going on to social media right now. On LinkedIn, Cronos is, Amazon Web Services is, and they are getting in there and spreading the word, and this is causing awareness. Probably some new Cronos holders came to the table in the last 24 hours, but here you go. Here's their Twitter. We're collaborating with AWS startups to boost Web3 startup growth through the Cronos Accelerator program. Guys, this is fantastic because we need more growth in the ecosystem. Cronos is a top 10 DeFi chain. It's barely even 2 years old. So this is super fantastic, guys. And this sets it apart. I don't know, and I'm going to look into this here as the week goes on, but how many other people are partnering up with AWS? I'm not quite sure, but I'll tell you, this is not something that I've heard yet personally. So if you know of any other projects, let me know down below. But this is an exclusive partnership from what I'm seeing, and this is fantastic because the AWS system for startups is really, really an easy way for developers to build a lot more tools. If you look at what this newsletter shows, Cronos Labs is a blockchain startup accelerator that focuses on DeFi, blockchain games, and development of the Cronos chain ecosystem. And now with this AWS Activate Amazon Web Services program, they are going to help startups, early stage entrepreneurs, newcomers to the space, people that are getting started, hopefully bringing the next big projects of the future to support the Web3 startups and scale growth through the Cronos Accelerator program on Cronos, guys. On Cronos. The program aims to support developers to build the next generation Web3 applications within the Cronos ecosystem, targeting verticals of DeFi, gaming, social media on the blockchain. Very, very cool. And infrastructure. The selected projects will go through a 12-week acceleration program, receiving upfront seed funding of $30,000 from Cronos. Participants will also have a chance to secure up to $300K and further seed funding from Cronos Labs and its partners. So not only are they giving money, but they're giving the technology that comes with AWS. They have a lot of great tools, making it very, very easy. They can explore innovation and intersection of blockchain from a range of machine learning and AI services offered by AWS. Cronos Labs will also provide technical, commercial, funding support and guidance to help startups build the next generation of decentralized applications that onboard millions of potential new users. And then they go into more about Cronos Chain. Now, Cronos Labs has been working on this, and they've been working on giving money to people, getting the startups, funding these people. But this AWS partnership is massive, and it's new, and it's all over Twitter right now. And you look at what's going on. AWS Startups itself tweeted with 250K followers. They have Chris Marsliak, the CEO of Crypto.com, doing a great job of retweeting this, putting it out there, announcing it is on his own. Exciting to see Cronos Labs working with AWS on supporting and scaling Web3 startups going through Cronos Accelerator program. This is all very exciting stuff. And on that news, finally, guys, finally, Cronos has broken above this ugly blue trend line that we've been talking about for so long. Here's our previous all-time high. Here's a trend line we've been struggling to break past. Let's see if we can hold this trend line. I hope we don't have a buy the rumor, sell the news, and that is always possible, unfortunately, folks. But the fact that we've broken out above this, I would hope to see Cronos go to 8.5 cents in the next, I don't know, maybe week or two, possibly sooner. That would be fantastic. But this is a huge moment. The fact that we broke out past the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. This is almost an 8-week high. We tied this week back in, like March 13th-ish. Here we are in April, and we are moving back up. Very good to see. And if you look at the CRO versus Bitcoin chart, now we are printing our second weekly green candle versus Bitcoin. Again, very, very good to see. We want to see this continue to move up. If we can get to the top of this candle, guys, there's still 13.58% more upside versus Bitcoin. And Bitcoin's going up too, guys. And then if we do get to the previous all-time high versus Bitcoin, and if an AWS partnership can blast us past our previous all-time high, I'm thinking we get back to at least 588% gains versus Bitcoin. And that's just versus Bitcoin, which is in a bull market, guys. So this is incredibly bullish. I'm very, very excited. Dollar CRO, it's easy. $2, $3, $5 CRO. That's kind of what I'm looking for in the next bull market. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. That's all I got in this one. Huge partnership, very exciting. Good to see the social media atmosphere going wild. The CRO fams on Twitter today celebrating as they should be. Very good news today. That is all I got in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA and HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.